Well, hey everybody, this is approximately 3 o'clock in the morning Eastern time, and Hurricane Zeta is slowly becoming a tropical storm, and it's headed for North Georgia and the Atlanta area where we are in Fayette County. The wind has just started to pick up here, and you tell by the trees moving and everything else. But the rain is just steady. It's not heavy. It's not heavy. So that's the, as they say, that's the scene out here, right here. There's, as you can see, it's not so bad that cars can't pass by. Leaves on the ground because we are in a forest. So yeah. So I'll give you more updates later when there's daylight. Subscribe to Zenny62, bookmark Oakland, bookmark oaklandnewsnow.com. See ya.